This video is for class 6 mathematics, and in this video we are dealing with the problems, the questions from exercise 11b. So let us go to the first question. The question reads as, the monthly salary of a person is rupees 12,000 and his monthly expenditure, that means how much he expends, how much he spends, is rupees 8,500. Then you are supposed to find the ratio of his salary to expenditure, expenditure to savings, and then savings to salary. Okay, let us try to solve this. So we are doing number 1, and we can write person's income or salary is equal to rupees 12,000, right? Then person's expenditure is equal to rupees 8,500. Then person's savings will be equal to rupees, if I think I need to subtract this 2, then I shall get the savings, because he earns rupees 12,000, he spends rupees 8,500, so remaining he saves. So if I subtract this, I shall get 3,500. So let us try to find the ratio. We can do number 1 now. Ratio of his, I can write his because question is given his, ratio of his, the first one was salary to expenditure, salary to expenditure or income to expenditure, same thing, will be equal to rupees 12,000, as the income or the salary comes first, so I have written 12,000 upon rupees 8,500, sorry 8,500. Now we are supposed to cancel this, 0 and 0 gets cancelled, again 0 and 0 also gets cancelled, so I think we can cancel this by 5, I think it goes 17 times, and this also can be cancelled by 5, it will go 24 times. Please try the cancellation, and rupees also gets cancelled. So what will be the answer? The answer will be 24:17. So the answer will be 24:17. So we can go to number 2. Ratio of his expenditure to savings, right? So I think now you know you need to write the numerator as 8,500 because that is the expenditure first, and then rupees 3,500 which is the saving. Let us try to cancel them. Rupees and rupees gets cancelled, 0 gets cancelled, 0 and 0 also gets cancelled. Now this 35 can be cancelled by 5 7 times, and 85 just now we cancelled, it can be cancelled by 17 times. Hence the answer will be 17:7, right? Now let us go to third one, number 3. Ratio of his, let us see the question, ratio of his savings to salary. Okay, of his savings to salary. So saving was rupees 3,500, whereas his salary was rupees 12,000 rupees. Rupees and rupees gets cancelled. Again I can cancel 2 zeros and 2 zeros from the top and from the bottom, that is from the numerator and then the denominator. Again we can cancel this 35 7 times, and we can cancel this 120 again by 24 times. Hence the answer will be 7:24. This is how we are supposed to do number 1. So let us go to the next question, which is number 2. Okay, number 2. the strength of a class is 65. That means total students, the total number of students is 65, including 30 girls. Find the ratio of the number of girls to boys, boys to the whole class, and whole class to the girls. That means in my given things, in my first statement, I should write number of girls, number of boys, and whole class, number of whole class, right? So let us start. I think you also can do. If you can do, please pause the video and try to do it, right? I am doing it here. Okay. So number 2, strength of whole class. Strength of whole class is equal to 65, because total number of students in a class was 65. Then number of girls is equal to 30. Therefore, number of boys will be equal to 35. I need to subtract this two, right? I hope it is clear till here. Now, first one. What was the question? The question was the ratio of girls to boys. So, ratio of girls to boys is equal to 30 upon 35. So I think this can be cancelled by 5. So the answer will be 6:7. Number 2, ratio of boys to the whole class. So boys to the whole class is equal to, boys means 35, whole class is 65. So I think we can cancel this by 5 7 times, and 5 1 time, 3 times. So answer is 7:13, right? Now we can go to number 3, ratio of the whole class to girls. Ratio of the whole class to girls. Whole class was 65 and the girls is 30. So I think this can be cancelled by 5 by 13, and this also can be cancelled by 6. So the answer will be 13:6. This is how we are supposed to do number 2. I think that little bit had been cut in the video, so I think you can do the cancellation, right? The first cancellation was by 5, right? Answer was 7:13. Sorry, the first one was 6:7, then 7:13, and then 13:6.